Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do that cup thing Anna Kendrick does with the song When I'm Gone from the movie Pitch Perfect. Once you learn the basic beat I'm going to show you today, there are a lot of cool things you can do with it, like use it to accompany a song the way Anna Kendrick does, or you can get together a group of friends and play it as a competitive game, and I will show you some of those modifications in a video next week, so keep an eye out for that. The good news is all you need is a cup, or really any cup-like object would do. I just found my spare car key. I didn't know where that was. I was like, if I ever lose my car key, I'm in trouble. I'm sorry, Melvin. Just so you know, I'm going to be doing this in mirror mode because I find it easier to learn from somebody when I'm mirroring what they're doing instead of using the same hands left and right that they are. So when I'm saying use your right hand, I'm going to be using my left hand. I just didn't want anyone to be confused by that. The first part is super simple, and I use words to help me remember it. I promise it does help. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move over. So using my right hand going to the right. So now is a good time to pause the video and practice because one of the most common mistakes I see at this part is people leave out the last clap and they just go clap, clap, tap, 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 move over. They miss that clap. It's not going to be with this song. Seriously, just do this 5 times right now perfectly before you move on to part 2, because part 2 is trickier. Clap, pick, up, tap, switch it to your left hand, down with your right hand, cross over with your left hand. Say the words clap, pick, up, tap, switch, down, down. Clap, pick, up, tap, switch hands, down, down. Or you could say down, cross, because that's what you're doing. Most common mistake I usually see at this part is people go clap, pick, up, and they switch too early, and then make sure you practice this whole thing slowly and in time before you start to speed it up, because just like when you're practicing an instrument, if you practice it too fast at the beginning and you're just practicing your mistakes, then it's going to take a long time to unlearn those mistakes, longer than if you just practiced it slowly to begin with and then gradually speed it up. Now all we have to do is put part 1 and part 2 together, and this is where saying the words really helps me, because it helps me remember which step comes next as I practice it. But I know some people are visual learners, so I will put a diagram up on my website, link in the description, so that you don't have to keep rewinding this video over and over again to visually see it. So just the words, so you get the words in your memory. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move over. Clap, pick, up, tap, switch, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move over. Clap, pick, up, tap, switch, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move over. Clap, pick, up, tap, switch, down, down. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next week for part 2. Oh, I should have posted this yesterday, or like made it yesterday.
Why is that?
Then it would have been Tutorial Tuesday.
Next time.
Now it's Tutorial Wednesday.